Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you begin your epic journey in The Witcher 3. First, familiarize yourself with Geralt's basic movements and camera controls. Combat involves a mix of fast and strong attacks, plus crucial dodging to avoid enemy blows. Remember to interact with everything around you, from talking to villagers to looting containers. Don't forget to activate your Witcher senses. They are invaluable for uncovering hidden secrets and tracking foes. The Witcher 3 offers a massive world to explore. Focus on the main quest to progress the captivating story, but don't shy away from side quests. They offer valuable experience and unique rewards. Take your time to explore every nook and cranny of the Northern Realms. The world map and minimap are your best friends for navigation, helping you find your next objective or a hidden treasure. Combat in The Witcher 3 is dynamic and strategic. Utilize Geralt's 5 Witcher signs, like Igni for fire or Quen for a protective shield, to gain an edge. Perfecting parries and counterattacks will make you a formidable foe. As you complete quests, you'll earn experience points to level up. Spend your hard-earned skill points wisely across the combat, signs, or alchemy skill trees to customize Geralt's abilities. Alchemy and crafting are essential for survival. Brew powerful potions, like Swallow for health regeneration, and apply oils to your swords for bonus damage against specific enemy types. Visit blacksmiths and armorers to craft superior gear or upgrade your existing equipment. Keep a close eye on your inventory weight. You don't want to be over-encumbered. Remember to sell any unwanted items to merchants for extra coin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.